Hello everybody, this is Samsung Jashan. Today in this video tutorial we are going to learn a lot of things. In previous video, if you haven't seen those videos, then I recommend you to watch those. Otherwise, if you know the basic, then you can follow this tutorial. You have that link to download this file from the description of this video. Okay, here we have three tab. Okay, three sheet we made previously. We have player info, goal calculation. Now I made another sheet of sale calculation. If you don't know how to make sheet, then you can go to this sheet. Here you can see there is an option to insert sheet. You see, you can insert sheet from here. Otherwise, you can click on this plus button. In this sheet option, uh, you have more options, so you can customize your sheet. You can insert a cell or row or column. You can delete cell columns. If you haven't seen my past video here where I talk about columns, then I recommend you to watch them. We are going to talk about data. We are going to input data, so we are going to calculate our cell calculation. So at first, this is the column of year. What we are going to do, we are going to select this column. How many row you want, just select, go to data and validity. Here what we are going to do, we are going to input date. Just click on this date, allow empty cell. Okay, less than, this value should be less than 2020 because 2020 is not done it, so this is not passed. So what we are going to do, when someone enter more than 2020, it will show an error, show the input help. When you click on this input, there will be a helpful bar. 2020 is not okay. When you give more than 2020, it will show an error, so we can show that error message also. Just click on this error alert. You can see in the criteria option there is some few more option. You can see we can click on this not equal, greater than, or equal to, less than, or equal. Okay. Now click on any of the cell. You can see the suggestion. It's saying 2020 is not passed, so the input a value that is less than 2020. So let's import it. Let's make it 1997. It's totally correct. Let's input it 2022, which is not correct. It will give you an error message. Enter a value that is more than 2000. Okay, that's totally fine. Now let's click on here 1998. Just select both and drag and drop like this.